Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to delete a base on Airtable. I'll show you this on the web version. First, you need to open the base you want to delete. Navigate to your Airtable home screen and click on the base thumbnail to open it. You'll see the tables and data inside load up. Once the base is open, look at the top of the screen where your base name is displayed. To the right of the base name, you'll see a downward-facing arrow icon. Click that drop-down arrow. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear showing various base settings and options. In that drop-down menu, you'll see a three-dot icon. Click on those three dots. This opens up another set of menu options with more advanced base management features. Now you'll see the Delete Base option in this expanded menu. Click on Delete Base. When you click it, a warning message will appear emphasizing that this action is permanent. The confirmation dialog is making sure you really want to go through with this. In the confirmation dialog, click the Delete button. Once you confirm, the base will be deleted and you'll be redirected back to your workspace or home screen. The base itself will move to the workspace trash rather than disappearing completely. Here's what happens next. The deleted base sits in your workspace trash for 30 days before being permanently removed. If you realize you made a mistake or need something from that base, you can restore it during that window. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, navigate to trash, and you'll see the restore option for your deleted base. If you're on an enterprise scale plan, your admin may have set up extended retention periods. Instead of 30 days, your trash might retain bases for 60, 90, or even 180 days before permanent deletion. Back up any data you might need before deleting a base. You can export tables or use Airtable's snapshot feature to create a backup copy. Once the retention period passes and the base is permanently deleted, there's no way to get it back. One more thing to keep in mind, you need creator or owner permissions for the base to delete it. If you're a collaborator with lower permissions, you won't see the delete option at all. And that's how to delete a base on Airtable. Thanks for watching.